Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PrizePicks advanced strategies for winning more often. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your PrizePicks, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now use projections and custom model. Use statistical projection models for reputable sources, fantasy pros, roto grinders and custom spreadsheets. These models estimate player performance based on historical data, matchups and other variables. Create your own models. If you are skilled in data analysis, build custom models using tools like Excel, Python or R. Focus on metrics like pace of play, individual matchups, usage rates and recent rates to refine your predictions. Solve for value in line. Compare PrizePicks lines with those from sportsbooks. If a sportsbook have higher or lower projection for a player, it might indicate a potential edge. Look for dispensaries in stat categories where the PrizePicks line is less efficient, such as rebounds or assists in basketball or rushing yards in football. Number 30 is focus on single stat categories. Instead of picking total fantasy points, focus on individual stat categories, example points, rebounds or assists. These are often easier to predict and less volatile since they rely on fewer examples. And next is to exploit late news and adjustments. Monitor injury reports, use starting lineup charges and understand correlations, and target small market line. And these are a couple of steps that you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.